All right, so we're making a video on how to publish a YouTube video here. So make sure you start with a clean screen. You're going to, this is YouTube site. It says YouTube right up there, and you got a guy up there. Make sure you're on the right account, and then you can add a video. You can go live. You can start live videos. Live videos are like some of the best videos. There's two different ways to do it. Just start streaming, or you could even set one to schedule up in advance. You can go online anytime, any reason. You just click get started. We're not going to do that today. We're going to go back and hang on, technical difficulties. And okay. How do I go back? You know, we're gonna have to restart the video.